Yo, what is up guys? I'm back again with a brand new tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to get the modded version of episode Reality Stars. This will basically give you unlimited diamonds, cash, and cards in the game, which you can use to purchase anything. And don't worry, it's completely safe. I have a bunch of options right here, such as unlock all clothes, unlimited diamonds, cash, and cards, free premium choices, and much more. The next step is grab your iOS or Android device. I'm using an Android today. Once you're on your device, make sure you already have episode Reality Stars installed and fully updated. If you need to check, just go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Once that's done, the next step is to simply open your browser and follow my instructions. In the search bar, type Unlocker++ and press Install. After the installation is complete, the mod will be installed on your device. Thanks for watching. See you next time.